You know you have your flashlight on, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Dang, your camera's so much better than mine.
Softer. I clean it.
Oh.
You scared?
Yeah. See that little piece pooping out right there?
Oh, no, that's just clouds far away. It looks like it's going down, but it's not.
It's getting a little bit bigger.
It's not. It's because it's moving. Or other clouds are just adding to it. Okay. Look at that. Are you getting scared?
No? I'm
Yeah.
pumping my legs.
I'm not.
Do you know how to pump your legs? You can actually hear it a little bit.
There. Dude, look at that. It's cool.
Why is it all like gray colored? Oh, actually, Jason, we should really be staying outside. Lightning? Jason, we're next to a tree too. Do you want to start heading inside?
Sure.